G'day viewers, this is Troy from the Troy's Visual Arts channel. In my previous video, when I was showing you this video scope circuit working more properly for the first time and making a positive picture, I mentioned that there appeared to be two pictures, one that was pretty much of decent width and height, and the other one that was pretty much squashed, and the squashed one being of greater luminance than the normal size one. Well, what I've done was I've tweaked the vertical adjustments, and I've moved the positioning of the picture around to the bottom squash one, and I've adjusted the vertical horizontal width of the squash picture to make it look more the size of a normal picture, and yeah, it's come up in a lot of ways even better than the normal size picture that was above. One thing I noticed too was the normal size picture was actually pretty well not of the was pretty well underscanned, I think, in which the picture was rather vertically stretched, which will sort of offset in position, one of the two anyhow, which you either couldn't see the top or bottom portion of the picture. Well, the bottom squash picture expanded out actually shows all that hidden detail, or that missing portion, shall I say, and yeah, got a much better picture now. The only price to pay in terms of this pitch of the bottom portion of the picture is it's not quite as sharp as the top portion of the picture that was of normal size, but the depth of field is a lot better, the picture's a lot more brighter, and yeah, I'm actually a bit happier with it. Yeah, panning around the garage once again. My gear, my Dick Smith Crow that I'll want to use the circuit on eventually. My containers of components, and hopefully I can get a better picture. This is the circuit that's displaying the images on the Crow screen. Still not as intelligible on the Crow screen as I like, but anyhow. Front yard. Anyhow, I know this video was supposed to be shot on a better camera, but I'll do that in the next video. Anyhow, Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel signing out.